Hello friends, welcome back to Pink's Kitchen. Today let's check out a very special Bakrid recipe, Mutton Biryani. This is a very simple yet delicious recipe that all the beginners and bachelors can give a try. Let's quickly check out the ingredients and get started. Heat a pressure cooker and add a tablespoon of oil and a teaspoon of ghee. When the oil is nice and hot, add few spices, few pieces of bay leaf, 1 clove and few cinnamon pieces. Give it a quick mix. Then add 1 large onion thinly sliced. Saute until the onion turns nice and golden brown. Now the onions are nicely done. Now let's add 2 green chilies. Let's go to our garden and pick 2 fresh green chilies. Clean wash it and add it to the biryani. Then add few mint leaves, few coriander leaves and a teaspoon of ginger garlic paste. Saute until the raw flavor of the ginger garlic paste goes off. Then add 1 tomato thinly sliced. Saute until the tomato is well done. Now the tomato is nice and mashy, so go ahead and add a teaspoon of salt, quarter teaspoon of turmeric powder, a teaspoon of chili powder and half teaspoon of coriander powder. Mix well until the raw flavor of the spices goes off. Now add a tablespoon of curd and mix it well. Now our biryani masala is nice and ready, so add 1.5 cups of water and mix well. Let this come to a boil. Now it's nicely boiling, so add quarter kg mutton pieces and mix well. Close the pressure cooker and cook for 5 whistles until the meat is well done. Open the pressure cooker when the pressure settles on its own. The mutton pieces are nicely done. I've soaked 1 cup of long grain basmati rice in water for 30 minutes. Drain off the water and add the rice to the biryani. Give it a gentle mix. Make sure not to break the rice. Now again close the pressure cooker and let this cook for 2 whistles. Then allow the pressure to settle on its own. Now let's open and check. The rice is beautifully cooked and the aroma is just awesome. You can serve it right away and enjoy with your family and friends. Very easy, delicious and quick recipe. So do try this mutton biryani recipe at your home and write back to me your feedback. I'll meet you all with another interesting recipe. Until then, bye friends. If you wish to check out our recipes in Tamil, do visit Pink's Kitchen Tamil channel. Do subscribe to Pink's Kitchen channel and click on the bell icon for latest updates. Happy cooking and thanks for watching this video.